All right, we got a call over here in an older historical part of town. And the lady said a plumber was underneath doing something and noticed that their dehumidification unit was starting to rust, and that she should get in touch with us to come see about it. So we take care of the heating and air. She says we've been there before and fixed the AC, so I don't remember the exact house, but we're about a block away. Let's see what we got. Okay, so she said the gate is unlocked and there's no lock on the crawl door, and we should be able to get right over there. Oh, there's the crawl door and one of the carriers over there. Last summer, I remember now that we were here and we put a capacitor in one. So let's take a look at the unit underneath. All right, so, boy, I tell you what, this goes into that category of you see a little bit of everything. This is nothing but the packing in the box that comes with this thing in the box. And you can tell that by tearing open a little spot. And there's the styrofoam. Isn't that nice? So, and the reason it's starting to rust is it is staying full of water. Back there where it shouldn't. Oh boy. Takes all kinds to make the world go round. So, what I'm going to propose to do is get a couple of solid 4-inch blocks and sit that unit to the side out of the way and build a foundation and hook it back up, put it back in there, and that should be good. So let's go talk to the customer. All right, so they do want us to fix it and go ahead and do a full service on the HVAC for both floors while we're there. So we've got it scheduled a couple of days out, and we'll be back to take care of it for them. So let's go to the next one and see what we find. Thanks for watching.